Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that out of 7 Myanmar nationals arrested recently from the airport during routine ILP checking, 5 of them had identity documents from Mizoram. Reacting to one of the press statements released by a civil voluntary organization from Mizoram that urged to exempt Mizo from Inner Line Permit (ILP) system, N. Biren Singh vehemently objected their demand and appealed them not to interfere law and order issue of the Manipur. Addressing media on May 2 during the launching function of Facial Recognition System (FRS) and camera-mounted mobile FRS vehicles, N. Biren Singh said that a press statement from a Mizoram-based civil society organization had come across in last couple of days which very unfortunate. The organization demanded not to implement ILP system coming from Mizoram and even expressed indirectly of threatening Meitei settling in Mizoram if demand is not met. He continued and further said that stop making such statement which will create communal tension between communities. ILP system was implemented in the state with the approval of the central government to give a layer of protection to the local population. As such, government will not compromise on its implementation. Biren Singh said that out of 7 Myanmar nationals arrested recently from the airport during routine ILP checking, 5 of them had identity documents from Mizoram. Viewing such consequences, government cannot stop conducting ILP checking of individuals coming from outside the state. Law and order issue is a state subject. Therefore any CSO from other states should refrain from interfering it, he said. CM also expressed his resentment for endorsing such press statement by some tribal students organization from Manipur. Whatever government is doing is betterment for state, not to harm people of state, Biren expressed. Chief Minister also appreciated all the CSOs, village chiefs, villages, church leaders who have come out unitedly against poppy plantation and said that total eradication of illegal drugs and poppy plantation from the state is a commitment of the government and working to achieve this with a conviction. On April 30, 2 persons were arrested along with 16 kilograms of opium in Kenbo bike from Singhat area in Churachandpur, the Chief Minister said, further stating that a drug kingpin has also been arrested recently. He said following reports of a recent seizure of illegal drugs at Assam from Manipur. Special team of the NAB had investigated the case resulting in the arrest of a kingpin identified as Chandan Gupta at precinct residing at Maram Bazar under Senapati district. During investigation, he revealed that he had sold 562 numbers of soap cases of illegal drugs in Dimapur and Guwahati. Further investigation, it also came to notice that the person has bank balance of 1 crore rupees. Action was taken up under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act that can even forfeit his property. His revelation, 2 of his accomplices identified as Deepak Kumar Jaiswal from UP and presently staying at Maram Bazar and K. Athini, Senapati district, were arrested, Biren informed. It may be mentioned that Mizo Zirlai Paul MZP had recently released a press release which stated that they are closely watching the problem being faced by ethnic Zo people living under government of Manipur. They strongly condemned N. Biren Singh's BJP administration for allegedly attempting to remove the Zo people from the Manipur. Through the release, they want to stop such initiatives that can be detrimental to ethnic Zo people and urged the Manipur government to exempt ILP system from people of Mizoram. Mention may be made here that recently violence was erupted in Churachandpur district, condemning the state government for allegedly conducting eviction in reserved forest areas and demolition of churches. Various form of protest and agitation was carried out, but later normalcy was restored.